So it's been 12:08 p.m. and usually at rainy weather I am not very productive at that time, but today weather is cloudy and I have decided to do my day productive. Whatever it takes, I will do my day productive. And I haven't planned that much what I will do to make my day productive, but I will do whatever it takes to do my day productive. So at morning I haven't done much things productive, like I only took bath and do puja and done puja. And after that I had my breakfast as usual, we all do. Then I watched a little bit series and I will watch that later. But now, what is the work of now? So now my father told me to do our things, like we sell these things, like this is chili powder and we do wholesale things, and I will supply this chili powder to an mixture factory, and this is our business. And I told you these things at last video, and let's do whatever it takes to do my day productive. And yes, I will do things of my father and family, yes, but what about myself? So I decided to learn something throughout the day, and this is my daily routine. I try to learn something new daily, but how things will done together, but how things will be done today, that's what I will show today. And yes, as usual, I am saying again that the purpose of making these videos are to improve my spoken English. I am an Odia guy, and this is my hidden passion, that I will speak in English. This is my very long time dream that I would speak in English fluently, very very fluently. So that's what I am doing, and by these things I am also practicing my English. So I think someone calling me, but for now I am saying these things, that I will go to supply these things, and this is our go down, by the way. And after that, whatever it takes me to do, I will show you. For now, so as I told you, I will go and supply our goods to an mixture factory, and like this we have few, I will say few or several mixture factories, but still there are a number of mixture factories we supply our goods. And the thing is, I supplied there, but I unable to record because they are our customer, and if someone will mind something, that would not be good for us, not good for my father business. So I didn't record that, the process of delivering our goods. And I right now came back from by doing delivery. And right now, what is the thing? So when I came to home, my father told that Guddu, my nickname is Guddu, and he told that Guddu, go again to go down and carry 3 more goods with you, because another factory needed more goods. So right now I came to go down again, and I will carry 3 more chili powder packets, and I will deliver those to another factory. And this is the deliver which is going to that factory, at which factory I delivered at last time. This is that factory. so I told you, so I can only show you now, which I will do right now. So the process of delivering, I can't show you that. I don't know who will mind, whatever, but now what I will do right now, I will show that. So please stay here, please. What I will stay you, I think I think this would be right place. No, this is not right place. Where I will keep you, not you. This is my camera and you are inside my camera. That's what I'm feeling right now. So I think you would be fine there. Yo. So I decided I will show like this, and I made a jugaad right there. And basically I put my phone besides a brick, not an brick. So sometimes I find very interesting the process of making vlogs is bit difficult, but when you start you really enjoys the process. And when you becomes 20, when you become more than 20, your your friends are more separated than you. Like every friends are on their journeys, and at your 20s there are only few friends. And I basically joined by doing these vlogs. I feel that I am removing some of my loneliness. So yes, I am very much enjoying the process of making vlog. And I'm also having the feeling that I'm learning something new and new. And yes, this is very interesting. So I basically like put three packets of chili, and I will take this. ଅରୁଆ ଚାଉଳ 20 ଟଙ୍କା ଦାও। So there are few things I need to talk with you, but first thing first, I came to my room, and this is my new room. Now here my bed is not put, or whatever. My bed is not here right now, but my bed is like in my old room. And basically you can see my setup. This is here bar light. Ow. It hurts. Like I would show you this my knee. I can't show you. It hurts. Like my knee like collide with here. But so this is my room, and here is very jugaad thing I made here. I kept a bar light right here, and this is my speaker, and this is very like jugaad thing, temporary thing I made right here. And basically I keep my phone right here, and by keeping right here I am talking to you right now. So man, it hurts. I'm not showing you, but so I need to talk with you. So there are few things which happened last 2 days, but I haven't interact you. Like I told you that my little cousin, he said that he will draw a Mahatma Gandhi, and after that day he came to me and told, Budu bhai, please do me a drawing. And I made him. I haven't shown any like nakhra, what we say nakhra, I forgot, but whatever. Wait, I am searching and I will tell you. Nakhra, what we tell to nakhra, I will search and tell you. So I got to know few words like tantrum, but the word tantrum I am not used to. So a few words I also got like bother, and bother is very common to me, but I forgot. And second was like I didn't do any prank with him, and this is also like sounds good. So let's say I didn't do any prank with him, and straightforwardly I was eating noodles, and at the time he came, I waited him for 5 to 10 minutes because that was justified for me, because I was the person who was annoyed. So I just kept him waiting for 10 minutes. Then I made him a drawing and I will show you. I clicked a photo of that Mahatma Gandhi. Yes, obviously that Mahatma Gandhi was okay. I think I could do more better, but as he was not interested that good bhai, please do me a very good drawing, so I also didn't give that much emphasis on that drawing. But however I did, and I feel that whatever it was, but the drawing could be little better. And more than that, Mahatma Gandhi's gamcha, what we say, I don't know, that cloth uh, which we put on body, like what Mahatma Gandhi put on his body, that cloth, the color of that was not up to my satisfaction. and and there are also more few things like I met that. And the second thing is that from last 3 years I am telling to my father gave me permission, I will do a chilling bar on my rooftop. So father was always delaying me, like wait for 2 months, wait for 1 week, wait for, like it's been 3 years he was postponing things. But I was saying him from corona, like from beginning of corona, I was requesting to him, and few times I have money, but I was unable to do because I didn't got any permission. And second thing is that whenever I got permission, at that time I had no money. So the main reason of neglecting things. But however after 3 years, the long after waiting a long time, and I feel in 3 years many things had changed in me had been changed in me, like my mindset, like I am how I am, like I was 58, like 70 to 58, then 58 kg to 80, then 80 to 67, and right now I was few month, like 1 month ago I was what 67. But because I am nowadays I am in little bit more tension, I can say, like nowadays are more hectic. I am planning how can I do more videos and how can I grow more focusing on my mindset, on my growth. That's why I am hampering this weight loss journey or my diet. And like to like things are bit tension for me, and to lighten that tension I am eating nowadays more. So basically is that, and I will now show you uh, what is the thing I am talking about, which is the bar. Current moved away. So this is the bar, you can see, this is the bar, and this is the thing I made. Yes, my mom is basically kept my paint to dry, what we say, to dry. And I made a dips bar, and this was not that important, but okay. And this is bar. I will show you right now. Okay, is it visible? Yes, yes. I could do more, but the purpose of making this video is not to show you my chilling, and obviously many of you can do more. So I decided that after delivering this roasted chana, I will go to outside and roam anywhere. I don't know where to roam, but I will roam everywhere. And after roaming 15 to 20 minutes, I will return to home. And I do sometimes this because I want to chill. And after doing a lot of work throughout the day, I basically refresh my mind. And so bye bye for now, as always, for now. So now I just delivered our goods and took payment, and I am roaming outside, and it feels very cool, like not that cool, not very excitement cool, but it's feel very cool outside, cold outside. I think the crowd is a bit less, that's why it's feeling cool, and weather is very chill, and actually I am feeling very good because whenever I feel little bit boring, I just moved outside and roam like this, and this is the first time I am doing like this, like I never done this before, like when I am outside I never block me like this. Obviously I am doing this vertically, I should do this horizontally, but it's a small step. I am just taking little bit steps, and I feel always whenever I vlog or whatever I do, always do, so I'm telling that whenever I do whatever thing like vlog or do reel or do something, I just learn, or maybe I learn something, or I just experience a new thing, like I never done this before, like when I am moving outside and never talked like this, but it's a new start, and let's see how far this is going for me. Okay, I will meet you at home, and obviously I will roam like this for more 10 to 15 minutes, but I will meet you at home. So Meet you at home. Bye. So I was very worried about today because as always I always try to learn something new throughout the day. But today I was worried. Why? Because I blogged today's entire day, but I didn't get anything to learn throughout the day, and I was worried. But at the end of the day, I was, as I saw you, and I never talked on publicly, and I unlocked my new fear, and that's how I am feeling right now. Like, I'm feeling very great. So I hope I made this video best until now, and I genuinely telling you, I feel how much video, how much blog I made throughout today. This is my best video because I really enjoyed today's blog throughout the day, and that's how today's blog is ending. And I learned today that it's not too worried to speak in publicly in front of camera. Yes, I may not unlock fully this fear, but I just like destroyed a little bit part of my fear. So that's how today blog is ending, and today is almost over. And thank you. Bye bye. I feel very great. So now I am basically going to home, and I wondered why I should not tell you this thing now. I just wanted that I should be your best friend, and we will be best friends forever. And this is very like, I am not saying anything, not forcing anything. Like, I want to just know you, and you just know me, and we will be best friends forever. And obviously I'm looking like a psychopath, but we will be best friends forever. Bye.